This was Saturday, so I decided to take Bugsy out for a ride. I just wanted to see, what she do on these little roads in the countryside. But it's a beautiful day though, weekend. So I wanted to just take Bugsy out, push her down the road a little bit, take her out in the woods, just right out there and to see what she can do. Man, this little PW bug, man, it runs great. She goes down in the ditches like nothing. Runs so beautiful. I love this car. So I just want to give you guys a little tour and a little look out to see what this thing can do. Bugsy, the VW Beetle, me and her again, back at it, down in the countryside. So just keep watching and enjoy the video. This is not really a long video, it's a short one. But please enjoy. And if you love the video, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you can get more videos while they come. So stay tuned and keep watching me and Bugsy on the road again. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Love you guys. This time Bugsy was just ripping through these trees, man. She was feeling so good, running so good. I know she was happy and I was happy too.